morning guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is completely a different video क्योंकि आज I'm going to tell you all कि what I eat in a day. तो मतलब जो मेरा 14 days का challenge मैंने लिया था for Chloe Ting's 2-week ab shred. So yeah, so I wanted to just show you guys कि like what I ate during those 14 days and how did I manage to take the challenge, and that is why I have made this video. So it's morning and I just woke up and washed my face, and now I'll be having warm water with lime and honey.
The water is getting boiled. I have added lemon juice and now I'll be adding 2 spoons of honey.
I had my water and now I'll be heading to the shower, and I'll see you guys after that. Hey guys, so I'm out of the shower and I'll be having a banana because I normally eat fruits every morning before having the main breakfast. I at least eat one fruit and I take a break and then I have my breakfast. So I had my bath and now I'll be having a banana, and after that I'll be having I'll do my morning prayers and also make breakfast for my dad, and then I'll make breakfast for me. I just made breakfast for my dad, and now I'll be making breakfast for me. So mostly for breakfast it's like poha or upma or shira, and today it's like oatmeal. Yeah, I was thinking of making oatmeal, but I'm not feeling like having milk. I mean, I'm not making oatmeal, but I'm making oats porridge, and along with that I'm having a bowl of fruits like fruit salad with some peanut butter.
In a vessel, I've taken 1 glass of water and then I'm adding 2.5 spoons of oats. So the porridge is getting boiled. It's almost done, and now I'm putting the gas off. So this is how the breakfast looks like. There are some slices of apple, strawberry, oranges, peanut butter, and then there is the oat porridge. So the plate is empty. I've finished my breakfast. Yeah, but the porridge seems to be a little bit hot. So I'll wait for some time, or maybe I'll start with my work because I'm getting late for my work.
I don't have any pre-workout meal. Normally I just have like some dry fruits or nuts or some milkshake, but nothing like protein shake or any egg whites or something like which is typical, you know, workout meal. I don't consume anything that sort of. So again after workout I'll be having shower, and then I'll prepare something for evening breakfast.
We are planning to make gajar ka halwa, and now I'll grate some carrots for that. So finally I've grated all the carrots. So I've added grated carrots with 3 to 4 spoons of ghee, and I'll be stirring it. Then I'll add that lid filled with water, and also I'll be adding few spoons of sugar, like 2 spoons of sugar. I'm making it for my family, that is why I'm adding sugar. Otherwise I would have added honey. And yeah, the halwa is finally ready.
After having the breakfast, I did some of my work, some of my pending work, and then we had family prayers, and yeah, and now it's time for dinner. And again, I was just caught up with some calls that I had to make, and that's why my parents were like they had their dinner early, and I'll be having now. It's 9:15, and I'll have my dinner now.
For dinner, I'll be having a fish curry, that is Bombay duck curry, also called as bombil. Then there is pickle. Then again one bhakri, multigrain bhakri, and some rice. After dinner, I brush my teeth. Then I'll put some almond oil on my dark circles, and I'll watch Netflix till 11 p.m. and then I'll go to sleep. So this is how my day looks like, and this is what I eat in a day. Bye. See you soon.